Hiwell Machinery, Shandong Company Limited, is a professional manufacturer of forming, coating, slicing, and intelligent portion-cutting processing machinery in the application of fast food processing since 2005. We have been focusing on the development of meat, seafood, vegetable and plant-based fast food, and developing the former, batter, producer, breader, horizontal meat slicer, meat strip cutter, meat flattener, meat tenderizer, and intelligent meat portion cutter. Successfully found a complete and suitable solution for customers' food processing. Hiwell automatic multi-former, batter, producer, breader, meat tender and batter feeder machines are granted the CE authorization, approved by Germany TÜV. Hiwell keeps the equipment at the forefront of the world. We serve customers with precise and durable machines, reasonable costs, satisfied after-sales support. So far, we have exported reputed companies in Europe, USA, North America, Southeast Asia, Japan, Africa, and Australia. Customers are very satisfied with Hiwell machine user experience and service in China. Hiwell is now a professional manufacturer in this field, and the drafter of the National Industry Standard. Hiwell has a complete quality control system, experienced after-sales team, advanced design philosophy, strict management of manufacturing process. Hiwell has enough spare parts in stock for each model. Once a customer has the requirement, we will feed customer at the beginning and find the solution for their processing. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.